My name is Lacey McCandless, and this is the Teacher How-To, stories.audible.com. The intended audience for this video is teachers looking to increase the vocabulary and literacy of their students from the elementary through the middle grades. Stories.audible.com is a free browser-based website that's accessible without any sort of login restriction or information, making it great for students under the age of 12 who normally have a difficult time accessing certain information. This is important because one of the goals of Round Rock ISD is a focus on literacy and cultivating a love of lifelong learning, which is great because audiobooks are a wonderful way for students to really enjoy and get into something that they themselves select and engage with, which is a great way to incentivize learning and reading, especially in students that are struggling readers. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to utilize stories.audible.com. Once you've typed in stories.audible.com, it will bring you to this page right here explaining that this website exists because schools are having a difficult time with person-to-person teaching at this time. All stories are free to stream on your desktop, laptop, phone, or tablet, so there is no barrier for students engaging with these stories. All you have to do is press the big yellow Start Listening button. Not all of the books on audible.com are available at stories.audible.com, but a wide variety of them are. I'm going to focus on the age group that I teach, which is tweens. In the tweens section, there's a wide variety of texts, everything from interesting fantasy stories to Harry Potter to classics like Jack London's White Fang. Let's take a moment and look at a classic that I particularly love, which is The Reluctant Dragon. All students would have to do is click on the audiobook of their choice and press the button that says Start Listening. The audiobook plays directly from the browser, so this is very phone friendly. Students can jump to specific chapters if they would like to. They can listen, rewind, increase the speed, change this to full screen, and this entire audiobook only takes about an hour to listen to. What a wonderful way for students to engage with more literature. This meets the ISTE Standards for Education Leaders 1B, ensuring that all students have access to this technology and this educational opportunity. It also meets the Education Leaders ISTE Standard 1D, Cultivating Responsible Online Behavior. This website requires no sign-in and does not monitor who accesses it, making it very safe and friendly. Students can continue to select new books, and they can listen to a wide variety of materials that appeal to them. Thank you so much for your time. This has been Lacey McCandless with Teacher How-To, stories.audible.com.